I'm going to show you how you can add a new patient and start the process of adding this patient, but then close out to allow the doctor or a staff member to finish submitting the case later to the uAssist team. First, you're going to click on Add Patient. Next, you're going to put in the patient's first and last name, date of birth, and you can assign the patient to whoever it is that you want to assign them to within the practice. You're going to choose to add the patient. Once you've done that, you can select what type of case you want to create. If I choose a liner case, I can now upload the upper and lower STLs. Once you confirm the STLs are the proper patient, you can click Next. Now you're going to upload your photos. So you're going to click to upload your photos, or you can drag and drop them if you prefer. So you can choose as many photos as you want and go ahead and add them into the software. Choose the AI sort button and it will automatically sort the images into the appropriate spots under the photos as well as x-rays. And now we're going to click Next. Once we get to the dental chart, this is where we can notate if there's any missing teeth, bridges, crowns, or implants by just simply selecting the tooth and choosing the option. If there's nothing to notate, you can click Next. Now we're on the uAssist prescription form. If I decide that I want the doctor to come back and finish this prescription form at a later time, I can simply click on the Close button. A message window will appear asking if you're sure you want to leave this page. You can choose to leave this page, or you can choose to stay on the page to continue filling out the prescription form to then submit to the uAssist team. So I'm going to go ahead and choose to leave the page. And now when I go back to the home screen, if I filter my patients to assign to, and I just choose the past hour for my recent activity, you're going to notice this is the patient that I just uploaded. It's telling me that I still need to fill out the prescription form. If I select the patient's name, it's going to show a button that says Open Prescription Form. And now I can click that button, allowing me to go back into the patient case to fill out the prescription form.